My name is Kelly. I'm a product writer at Pinterest.
My name is Tino, and I'm a copywriter here at Pinterest. I have no idea what I came here to do today, so I'm pretty excited, and I'm pretty competitive, so hopefully I take the cake.
Is this a contest? I thought this was fun.
That way, just a half layer. You want me to stay here? Yeah, right there's great.
You are going to be putting a decorative turkey made out of pie crust onto a pumpkin pie. Have you done that before?
No, I don't do pie dough.
I haven't baked many pies, but I do like to bake other things.
20 minutes on the clock. 3, 2, 1, bake.
It's the most Thanksgiving thing I think I've ever done.
I think so.
I mean, I thought Thanksgiving was all about sharing.
It is, but you took the scissors.
We only have one pair of scissors?
We got the body, and then we got to put its feathers that look like
feathers.
leaves. And then
A
it's...
head, a waddle.
It's waddle.
I'm gonna make mine like a really attractive waddle. It's like a turkey that had plastic surgery.
You're not using wax paper?
Are we supposed to?
Well, see, I'm gonna be clean, so I think I'm already in the lead here.
Honestly, I feel like it's neck and neck. Turkey neck and neck.
Oh, I see. This pie's gonna be so good, I'm just gonna wanna gobble it up, you know?
Oh. You're supposed to have 15 feathers in each size. There's like a back row and a front row.
Can't even trace this stupid circle that I just cut out.
Okay.
And there goes my thumb. I think my strategy is just to talk and be really entertaining, so I distract her from doing what she's actually supposed to be doing.
He's doing a great job. My turkey might not have a face. Put eye holes in
You want
them.
eyes?
The water's to attach the beak, right?
I have to search
The
that.
waddle's like the scarf of the face.
Does it go over the beak?
I think it goes slightly over the beak. Ooh, that's cute. That's sassy. That's a sassy waddle. You got it.
What do
you
you
can
think?
do it.
Is that a good
Oh
waddle?
my God, that's a great waddle. Oh man. Does it say to do that? 'Cause I didn't do it. Oh,
1,
Yes.
0.
So I'll be the fifth.
Hand turkey.
These turned out like really amazing.
It's amazing.
Oh my God.
Happy Thanksgiving.